Wind blowing up. Uh, Social media tip: don't make videos during the wind. Doesn't look that bad. One of the tarps, I think, blew off of one of the. Hey, baby, what you doing? Binks and I and Milo fixing to walk Milo while he's bracing for the wind. I don't know what's going on, but it's definitely windy out here. Central Kentucky. I don't know if the winter's blowing in or what, but it's getting cold. I say it's getting cold. It's the wind's making it cold. So anyway, van life, cabin life, cat life, life life. Y'all have a great day. Bye bye.